So hey students, today we are going to do some MCQs from Haloalkanes and Haloarenes, and it will be whole NCERT exemplar based MCQs. Okay, so let's get started. So our first question is, in order the order of reactivity of following alcohols with halogen acid is, this one is, and this one is, and this one. So order of reactivity is, firstly comes C, because it is 3 degree, then 2 degree, and then 1 degree. Okay, so this is 3 degree, this is 2 degree, and this is 1 degree. Okay, which of the following alcohols will yield the corresponding alkyl chloride on reaction with concentrated HCl at room temperature? So our answer is this, because 3 degree is more reactive than that of the 2 degree and 1 degree. Identify the compound Y in following reactions. So Y we have to find. So our answer would be this one. Okay, so this one is our answer. Plus N2 is released. Okay, so let's write this reaction. Firstly, what is happening is NH2 in presence of NaNO2 plus HCl, yeah, HNO2, you can write, giving diazonium salt N2Cl minus, and when it is reacting with Cu2Cl2, it will form chlorobenzene. Okay, toluene reacts with halogen in presence of iron 3 chloride, giving ortho and para halo compounds. The reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Which of the following halogen exchange reaction? So here you can see like Rx plus NaI, Ri plus NaX. You can learn it by I, Nai, because Nai who cut your hairs. So here I is present in NaI. So learn this by Finkelstein reaction. Fickle minded Nai. Finkelstein reaction it is. Finkelstein reaction. So learn it by fickle minded Nai, which is NaI. Okay. Which reagent will you use for the following reaction? From this we have to make this one and this one. So I will use this Cl2 plus UV light. Okay. Arrange the following compounds in increasing order of their densities. Okay, so this one. Arrange the following compounds in increasing order of their boiling points. So our answer is this one. B and then A and then C, because boiling point is inversely proportional to branching. Okay. And directly proportional to molecular mass or weight. In which of the following molecules carbon atom marked with A steric is asymmetrical? Okay, so our answer goes to 2, because here you can see this one is optically active and this one is also optically active, and this one is also optically active because different groups must present optically asymmetric means optically active compounds. Okay. Which of the following structure is enantiomeric with molecule A in given figure? Our answer is first. Which of the following example of weak dihalide? So our answer is 1,2-dichloroethane. Here it's Cl, here it's Cl, here it's CH2 and CH2. You can see weak. The position of Br in compound this one can be classified as it is allyl when because you can see here, I can make or draw this for all of you. C, Br and C and C. So you can see like this, it is present at sp3 carbon. This one is sp3. So whenever there is C double bond C and then C and X is present, this is called allyl. Okay. Chlorobenzene is formed by reaction of chlorine with benzene in the presence of AlCl3. Which of the following species attack the benzene ring in this reaction? So our answer is Cl plus because it is electrophilic reaction. Okay. Ethylidine chloride is gem dihalide because on same carbon both X is attached. What is A in the following reaction? So our answer goes to, firstly we will make here CH2 CH3. Okay, so our answer is this one. Here Cl is attached. Okay. A primary alkyl halide would prefer to undergo Sn2 reaction 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree for Sn2 reactions. Okay. Which of the following alkyl halide will go Sn1 reaction most readily? So 3 degree greater than 2 degree and greater than 1 degree for Sn1 reactions. So this one is like this. Okay. Which of the following which is the correct IUPAC name for this one? Okay, so 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 3 4. 1 minute. So our answer is 3. 1 bromo, 1 2 3 and 4. So 1 bromo 2 methyl butane. Okay. What should be the correct IUPAC name for the diethyl bromomethane? Diethyl bromomethane. Okay. So our answer is this one. 3 bromopentane. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So it is 3 bromo. Diethyl because this is ethyl and bromomethane. Okay. The reaction of toluene with chlorine in presence of iron and in absence of light yields mixture of 2 and 3. This one and this one, ortho and para. Ortho para. Okay. Chloromethane on treatment with excess of ammonia yields mainly methanamine, CH3Cl, and excess yields CH3NH2 minus HCl. Molecules with whose mirror image is not superimposable over them are known as chiral. Chiral. Which of the following molecule is chiral in nature? So there should be asymmetry, means different groups must be present on the carbon. Different functional groups optically active. Okay, so our answer goes to 2-bromobutane, because you can see 2-bromobutane is our answer. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2-bromo. So on this carbon you can say a H is present, a ethyl group and a methyl group is present. So we can say that it is chiral. Okay. Reaction of this one with aqueous sodium hydroxide yields what it yields? Sn1 mechanism. So it goes through Sn1 mechanism because pani pe daru, because aqueous you have used, then it will form alcohol. Okay. And it undergoes Sn1 reactions. Which of the following carbon atoms present in the molecule given below are asymmetric, means chiral? We have to find the chiral atom. Okay. So our answer is this one, that is B, you can see here, and C, because different groups are attached. Here it is COH and OH and H, and this one is a different group for this carbon, because when you will see at this carbon, it is this group, this one and this one. Okay, for this carbon atom. And when you will look at C, then this one is different, this one is different, this one is different, and this one is also different. So our answer is B and C. Which of the following compounds will give racemic mixture on nucleophilic substitution by OH minus ion or hydroxide ion? So our answer is this, racemic mixture, 50% D plus 50% L, optically inactive. Okay. In the following question 26 to 29, arrange the compounds in increasing order of rate of reaction towards nucleophilic substitution. Okay, so our first question, that is 26, answer is 3, because here you can see it is NO2 group and it is nucleophilic substitution reaction. So B is the correct, and then C and then A, because here you can see NO2 is present. So B at ortho, because ortho effect is there, ortho effect. And meta position, there is no groups, no group shows it's like electron withdrawing group can't show their presence at meta positions. And in 27 it will be 4, because here you can see like this, A is greater than C greater than B, because here you can say it is chlorine with is electron releasing group, and then comes electron releasing group, and then comes B, because here ortho effect is there. So our answer is, 1 minute, So our answer is 28 4, because here you can say NO2, NO2 and NO2. Nucleophilic reactions are directly proportional to electron withdrawing groups. So here you can see electron withdrawing group, but in A no withdrawing groups are present. So our answer is electron withdrawing group 4. In question number 29, what we can say is A greater than B greater than C, because in A you can see here what there is no electron, no ERG. Here one ERG is there and here two ERG are there. So as we know that nucleophilic reaction is inversely proportional to ERG and directly proportional to EWG, so we can say that A is greater than B greater than C. Okay. Which is the correct increasing order of boiling points of the following compounds? So our answer is this one, because one iodobutane, one bromobutane, one chlorobutane and butane. Iodo is the most heaviest one, and then bromo and then chloro, and here no such groups are present. Okay. Which is the correct increasing order of boiling points of the following compounds? So our answer is this one, because you can see here bromobenzene and one bromobutane, one bromopropane and one bromoethane. Carbon number is decreasing one by one, so here we can say like this is our answer. Okay. In the following questions, two or more options may be correct. Okay. Consider the following reactions and answer the question 32 to 34. Which of the following statements are correct about the reaction? So our answer is one, that is A and E both are nucleophiles, because A is a nucleophile and E is also a nucleophile. And what we can say is like in C carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. C is sp2 hybridized carbon. Okay. Which of the following statements are correct about this reaction? The above reaction follows Sn2 mechanism. Sn2 mechanism is there, because you can say a single step reaction is there and a nucleophile is being attached, and a nucleophile is also get separated from the its parent molecule. Okay. So we can say like this. A and B are in opposite configuration, that is inversion of configuration. Umbrella inversion, inversion of configuration in Sn2 reactions. Okay. Sn2 mechanism, umbrella inversion. Which of the following statements are correct about the reaction intermediate? Intermediate says C is unstable, because in this carbon is attached to 5 atoms, which can't happen. Carbon is having 4 valencies and it can attach only to 4 atoms. Okay. And for intermediate C is less stable than reactant B. Yes, it is correct. Now comes the next question. 35 to 36, on the basis of following reactions. Which of the following statement is correct about mechanism of the reaction? Here you can say what we can say is 35. Okay. A carbocation will be formed. Carbocation is the intermediate. Okay. Is formed as intermediate in the reaction. Okay. Carbocation is the intermediate. And what we can say is the reaction proceeds through Sn1 mechanism. Carbocation is the intermediate. Okay. So this one is our answer for the above reaction. Which of the following statements are correct about kinetics of the reaction? So the rate of reaction depends on concentration of B only. What is B here? B is the reactant. Okay. And molecularity of reaction is 1. Sn1 molecularity is 1. Sn2 molecularity is 2. Okay, and in Sn1 it depends on both reactants plus products, but here it depends upon only the reactants. Okay, and there is formation of carbocation in this case, but in Sn2 there's not formation of such compounds. Haloalkanes contain halogen atom attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. Identify haloalkane from the following compounds. Okay, so our answer is 2-bromopentane and trichloromethane. And 2-bromopentane, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 2-bromo. sp3 hybridization. Ethylene chloride and ethylidine chloride are isomers. Identify the correct options. Both the compounds form same products on treatment with alcoholic KOH, and both the compounds form same product on reduction. When I will, 1 minute, ethylene chloride. When they will undergo reduction, they will form this one, and when they will react with alcoholic KOH, which of the following are gem dihalides? So our answer is first and third. Ethylidine chloride, like this one, is the gem dihalide, and methylene chloride, CH3Cl, gem. Which of the following are secondary bromides? CHBr and CC. Okay, H3CH3. So here you can say, like, when I will remove this one, then it will become 2 degree. Okay, so the halogen which is attached directly to the carbon's configuration is transferred to that of the halogen. So if the carbon is 2 degree, then the bromide will also be 2 degree. Okay, and in this one you can see like this, C, C, Br, C and C. So this carbon is 2 degree, so this bromide will also be 2 degree. 1 minute. We will do match the following questions also, but firstly we have to do these questions. Which of the following compounds can be classified as aryl halides? Okay, so this one and this one, like when you will form chlorobenzene, and when 1 minute, C6H4, and in para position, and here CH2, CH, C and C. 1 minute, this one contains C. Okay, aryl halides are prepared from alcohol by treating with HCl plus ZnCl2 and red P plus Br2. Okay, for formation of alcohols. For preparation of alkyl halides from the alcohol. Sorry for that. Alkyl fluorides are synthesized by heating of alkyl chloride or bromide in presence of COF2 and Hg2F2. This is a named reaction. Okay, Schwarz reaction, I think so. Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction is for formation of RF. Okay, that is fluorides, alkyl fluorides, in presence of COF2 and Hg2F2. So now we will do some match the following type questions. Okay, matching type questions. So match the following items given in column 1 and column 2 in the following questions. Chloramphenicol is typhoid fever, thyroxine is goiter, and chloroquine is in malaria, and chloroform is in as anesthetic. Chloramphenicol as in typhoid fever, thyroxine in goiter, and chloroquine in malaria, and chloroform is in anesthetic. Match the item 1 of column 1 and column 2. Sn1 reaction goes racemization. Sn1 is undergoes racemization, and then chemical in fire extinguishers are chlorobromocarbons. Okay, bromination of alkenes gives weak dibromides. Alkylidine halides are gem dihalides. Alkylidine dihalides are gem dihalides. Okay, elimination of HX from alkyl halide is citizen reaction, Sedgef reaction, Sedgef or ZSEF you can say. Match the structures of compound given in column 1 with the classes of compound given in column 2. So this one is alkyl halide. Okay, this one is alkyl halide, and then our next one is vinyl halide, because vinyl is sp2, and here you can say like this. Okay, and third one is aryl halide, and fourth one is 1 minute. This one is allyl halide, and this one is vinyl halide. Allyl halide is sp3. Vinyl halide is like this, directly attached. Okay, and what this one is sp2, and when it is like this one, this is allyl. Okay, sp3 hybridized, and this one is vinyl. Match the column 1 given in column 1 with the types of reaction given in column 2. So our first question's answer is B, electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, and then our next question's answer is 1 minute, is D, electrophilic addition, B. Okay, and then comes C. Okay, so our answer is E for this one, which is on next page, electrophilic substitution Sn1 reaction. Okay, and then comes 4. And its answer is A, nucleophilic aromatic substitution. And then comes 5, this one, and its answer is C, that is Sedgef reaction, Sedgef elimination. Okay, match the structures given in column 1 with the names in column 2. So our answer is, for first it is 1-bromo-2-methyl butane 2-in, and for second one, and for 1 minute, sorry, firstly 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So our answer is 4 bromo pent 2 in, and for second one it's like C, that is 1 bromo, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 methyl but 2 in. Okay, and for the third one what we can say is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is 4 bromo 3 methyl pent 2 in, and for the fourth one is D, that is 1 bromo, 1 minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 methyl, 1 bromo 2 methyl pent 2 in. Okay, so our first one is ORG-Fetig reactions, where you can see like arene and alkene halide, alkyl halide and aryl halide are undergoing exchange. Okay, so it says ORG-Fetig reaction, ORG-Fetig, and then here it is Fetig reaction, and here you can see this is Sandmeyer's reaction, very important one, and then this one is Finkelstein, because Nye, just learn it by Nye, NAI, fickle minded Nye. Okay, so we will write the reactions like this. First one is plus Rx in presence of Na, what it gives is R minus NaX. Okay, and in this reaction here you can say Na in presence of ether, it undergoes dimerization, diphenyl. Okay, and here you can say like this N2X minus and Cu2X2, and it is giving X plus N2. Okay, and in case of this one C2H5Cl plus NaI, this is dry acetone, it will give CH25I plus NaCl. Okay, so all the best for the examinations.